Hello, 7-Eleven. Wow.
Wow. 7-Eleven Radio.
Yeah.
Nagkakamali po kayo.
Welcome to the Brody's PH Season 7.
Yes, with Jack and AIDS.
That's right.
Grabe, season 7 na.
Maraming salamat
Bulat.
guys sa mga
Oo nga.
patuloy na sumusuporta sa amin. At syempre sa bababaw nyo rin talaga eh.
Biruin nyo, sa dami ng papakinggan, di ba?
Kami
Tayo
pa.
yung pinakinggan nila.
Pero baka
Oo.
may sense naman tayo sa kanila kasi yung mga iba nagsisend naman sa atin ng mga tawag dito ng mga kanilang ideas and also
Insights.
mga natutunan na
Oo.
insights. And also they are learning from our podcast also. Oh,
Oh,
ha?
wow. Buti na lang, no? Hindi, it goes to show, Jack, na oo nga, when you start conversing with people, may matututunan ka talaga from another person, 'di ba? Parang you're not the most intelligent person in the room, 'di ba?
Yes. Ang
Just get
laking
you
bagay ng
learning.
ano eh, AIDS, ang laking ng bagay ng dialogue. Yan.
Mm.
I think dialogue between here, parang tayo, di ba? Dialogue between the two of us or sometimes you self-dialogue or minsan yung meron kang ka-process just like us. Kunyari nakikinig kayo sa amin, pwede kayong makapag-dialogue sa amin without us hearing you eh. Kaya parang meron lang kami
Mm.
mga pointers for you to think about and talk about and parang conversation starters and all that.
Yes. O kasi hindi mo talaga pwedeng naiisip mo na lahat ng pwede, pero there will always be a point of view that can add value to what you are facing right now.
That's
Yan.
right. So ang saya
Oo.
nun, ang saya nun. So ngayon, masaya yung topic natin because ano to? Main character syndrome. Main character
Yun.
syndrome siya. And that's why we have invited people who can really relate to that. Adrian and me. Joke. Hindi.
Hindi pa uso yung main character syndrome, nauna na tayo, no?
Yes, bida-bida.
Dekada na.
Yes. Bago tayo mag-ano. Ay, wait. Rap ba muna? Sige.
Oo, yes.
Pag-usapan natin yan after this rap.
Yo, mic check para sa podcast na madali lang pakinggan. Pwede kaming white noise while you're washing the pinggan. Jump rope, biking, jogging, or driving sa daan. Willing kaming sumama sa inyo kahit saan. The Brodies, hindi ka nag-iisa.
At tayo po yung
Yeah.
nagbabalik. Kami po, ipinipilit po namin maging masaya ngayon, ano? Kasi parang dapat daw, medyo hype up sa bagong season. Kasi nga bagong season, so, na-renew kami ng mga producers namin.
Wow, wow. Which is ourselves.
No,
Yung
K&K
wife.
Productions.
Oo. Sa yung mga wife na
Oo.
laging kumbaga willing to hear us talk.
Yes,
Kahit
Karina and Katrina
mm,
Productions.
yes.
Hindi po yung
K&K.
kambala. Hindi, tawag dito. Before we jump into our AIDS dun sa topic natin, meron lang akong parang sinadjust din sa akin na Netflix. Netflix ba siya? Hindi. Hulu na pwede sa Disney
Cool.
Plus siya. Yung Only Murders in the Building kila Selena Gomez. I'm not sure if you watched this one already.
Oh, napanood ko siya sa isang barkada trip namin last month. So nasa may medyo Tagaytay kami banda.
Oo.
And yung yung laging yung matalino namin kabarkada kasi yung nagpe-play ng mga
Ganyan.
ganyang series pagka
Mm,
nasa labas kami.
that's right.
So napaisip talaga ako kasi parang wow, medyo murder mysteries
Oo, ang
to, no?
saya. Na comedy.
Oo, na comedy.
Yes. Ang masaya rin dito, AIDS, 20 minutes lang.
Oo.
Yung isang episode.
Mm.
Yan. So,
Saka ilan lang siya, 'di ba? Konti lang.
konti pa lang.
Oo. Mm.
So for me, tawag dito, ang exciting yan, Only Murders in the Building. Also pala, next week, nasa Ho Minh yan. Ho Chi Minh kami. Ho Chi
As in
Minh.
literal, oo, na magkasama kami sa
Ho Chi Minh.
Ho Chi Minh.
Yeah.
Yon. Kasi nung bata po ako, hanggang pagtanda, nalilito ko kasi nung bata ako, Ho Chi Minh. Yung iniisip ko.
Saan yun?
Bagay sa ano natin sa topic kasi it's all about me. It's
Ni,
all
o nga.
about
Ho Chi Minh,
yeah.
Ho Chi Minh, Ho Chi Minh. And then nasa Ho Chi Minh kami next week. Doon kami magre-record ng podcast. First time yun, di ba?
Oo, first time.
Oh, I'll bring you
In.
to places. Yan. Masaya yan.
Ako, hilig pa
Abangan
naman
niyo po
namin
kami.
sa ano.
Alam
Yeah,
niyo,
sa
alam mo,
FOA.
AIDS, marami tayong nakikinig doon. Kung gusto niyo po kaming hulihin, yes.
Yes, Nax.
Doon po kayo mag-live audience.
Sa coffee shop ba may
May mga
doon?
ganun. May mga tahimik na coffee shop doon. Pwede ko kayong
Uy.
dalhin. So, shout out sa mga friends natin. Malalaman natin ngayon kung nakikinig sila. At i-message nila tayo kapag narinig nitong episode na to. Di ba?
Nako, teka. Tinitignan ko yung, kaya pa, Jack.
Oo,
Yung
kaya
ano
pa.
natin. Hindi
Kung
yung
si pa-
ma-acquire yung ating, anong tawag dito? Yung audio processor.
Yes, kaya pa yan, AIDS. Habang nasa
Yes.
Bali ka, orderin mo na. Ako magre-receive. Wow. Anyway.
Pick up
Yes. Tawag dito, main character syndrome. Napakalupit nito. I think they have an idea, pero paki-describe ulit.
ng main character.
Oo.
Pag main character, si Mario yun. Di ba sa Mario Brothers?
Ay, oo. Alam mo ba, nung bata kami, lagi ako Luigi kasi may kuya ako eh. So, siya lagi si Mario. Nakakalungkot,
Ayun.
no?
Actually, yun, mababaw na klase ng main character syndrome kasi, di ba, in real life, gusto mo, ikaw lagi yung player one. Di ba? Ikaw lagi,
Yeah.
tapos, kumbaga, point of view mo lagi. Kumbaga, ikaw yung bida, di ba? Lahat ng desisyon, dapat maka-weigh in ka muna. Alam mo yung pag may barkada, meron kasi mga tao na, kahit saan yung gusto kumain, okay lang ako, ganyan.
Yeah.
Pero merong kumbaga, saan tayo? Japanese food. Parang buong barkada nakapag-Japan. Masarap sa ganito, kakaman. Yung taong yon kahit di pa siya nakakapag-Japan kunwari, uy, gusto ko yun kasi yung sashimi doon, napanood ko sa TV. Napanood ko sa YouTube. Okay daw. Di ba?
Yes.
Parang, lagi ka na lang may weigh-in, lagi ka na lang nag-i-influence ng decision. Tapos, dapat ma-consider ka lagi. Kasi kung hindi,
ay, nako, oh my
bad
gosh.
trip ka. Di ba?
Yes.
Tapos kunyari,
naman. Teka lang, Adrian, nagdi-define pa lang tayo. Tuloy-tuloy ka naman.
Ay, sorry.
Hugot
parang may hugot. Actually, wala naman ako iniisip na taong ganun.
Hugot na hugot.
Ini-imagine ko lang.
Okay. Ayon sa TikTok, ito na talaga, TikTok na talaga ang ating reference.
Actually, for the last few times, no?
Oo. A tendency among people to view themselves as the lead character in their own life story. People with main character syndrome tend to be self-centered and self-absorbed, making it difficult to work collaboratively with others. So medyo parang toxic, no?
Oo.
Parang
mabigat kasama.
Oo, yung pa-alaga, yung pa-baby, yung ganyan. So parang parang yun nga, yung parang lagi mo siya dapat kino-consider. Ano ba to? Teka lang, AIDS. Easy to say ba or easy to say or easy to assume that yung mga taong may main character syndrome is not in the leadership role? What do you think? I mean,
actually,
to the real
iba-iba.
extent of leadership.
Oo. Maraming nasa leadership role, maraming hindi. Kasi may mga na-encounter pa rin ako na leader pero they were there because of, I don't know, nepotism or para kung ano man mga rason kung bakit sila nasa leadership role, di ba?
Yes.
And then you will really sense na may main character syndrome. Bakit? They're not asking for feedback. Di ba? They are not teachable na. Parang ako yung boss dito, tapos
nakakatakot.
Kaya kita staff eh. 'Di ba? Para gawin yung sinasabi. So, 'yun.
Tsaka diba? I think di ba? Or sige, kung hindi tayo masyadong sure doon, yung mga taong may main character syndrome, those are people that has like really narcissistic tendencies, right?
Mm.
Or ikaw, tingin mo, same
And,
energy, no?
same energy eh. Yung malala kasi din sa narcissistic na person is lahat ng maling nangyayari sa kanya, hindi siya yung may kasalanan. Ikaw yung may kasalanan.
Yes.
So, kunyari, yung kanina, di ba? Oh, kayong mga nagpunta sa Japan, pinili nyo tong restaurant na to. Tinan nyo, expired yung salmon, di ba? Nagsuka tayo lahat.
Mm.
Tinan nyo, kasalanan nyo to. Di ba? Parang, kasalanan pa rin. Parang pwede ba nagkamali lang tayo ng parang
Mm.
nataon lang, 'di ba, na
Mm.
food poison tayo. Pero kumbaga lahat ng masamang nangyayari, parang ina-attribute niya to other people and then de-attributing it, parang paano ba yung baliktad ng ina-attribute sa kanya? Parang
Na ano?
dinidissociate niya sa sarili niya yung
Yes.
yung problem. Kasi
Mm.
gusto niya i-point agad pag problem. Pero pag maganda, sarili niya yung, ako nakapag-isip niyan, ganyan. Yung mga taong kailangan pa nila i-mention na sila yung nag-isip ng joke or
Oo.
idea nila yan. Not necessarily lahat There are times na parang okay lang pa-joke or something. Pero yung nafe-feel mo na yung parang awkward na sinabi niya
Mm.
na ako
Mm.
nag-isip niyan, parang yung may mga titang ganon, maraming titang ganon. So kung ikaw
Yeah.
yung titang ganyan, 'di ba? So,
Correct.
yeah.
Sa akin, I think siguro, just to support what you're saying, I think main character syndrome is like, everything is about you and your problems. Yan.
Mm.
Parang lahat
Oo
na lang
nga.
sa'yo. And, syempre, kunyari, ikaw, Adrian, meron kang problema talaga. Mas mabigat yung problema mo sa akin. Syempre, sige, si Adrian muna yung pag-pray natin or pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Kasi syempre, ano bang laban ko dun sa kunyari na traffic lang ako versus ikaw na namatayan ka ng pet or whatever. Parang this
Mm.
time is your time. Pero it's not always your time. You get it? Parang we move on then
Mm.
from being the victim or parang from being things are being around you. I think the main character syndrome has yung symptoms na wala kang pakialam, parang wala kang pakialam sa mga tao na nakapaligid sa akin, lahat kayo supporting role,
Yes.
'di ba?
Totoo. Ano yan, Jack? Bigla akong may naiisip na facet niyan. Pag merong friend na eto parang we are drawing up examples. Pero kung may ganun kayong friend, huwag niyo na ma-edit yung friend niyo, di ba?
Oo.
This is actually more on to understand bakit natin pinag-uusapan yung main character. Hindi para pagalitan sila or ano. This
Yes.
is actually more on to understand them first.
I think,
Where
Adrian,
they coming
kasi
from.
meron sometimes yung mga friends tayo na alam nating main character syndrome sila pero cute. Gets mo?
Oo.
Yung parang ibigay natin sa kanya kasi nakakatawa naman. Ibigay natin sa kanya kasi
Oo.
parang kengkoy or parang hindi, alam mo yun, parang hindi siya offensive or hindi siya
Oo.
selfish that way. Mamaya
Oo.
explain natin mabuti yung main character
Oo.
syndrome na
Mga
in a
yan
positive way. Oo.
Oo, yung mga life of the party na
Yes, ganyan.
hindi pa
Go.
importante. Ayan.
Oo,
So ito,
yes.
dito muna tayo sa uli. Doon sa negative nga. Gusto ko yan, Jack, kasi nabigyan natin sila ng light at the end of the tunnel muna. So ngayon,
Yes.
dito tayo sa
Light at the
tunnel.
end of the tunnel. Tapos sa dulo ng tunnel, may taong nakatayo na merong karit na hawak. Hala, si
Oo,
kamatayan.
si kamatayan pala.
Hinihintay ka.
Going back, no, meron kasing friend na yung kumbaga or kakilala nyo na kumukuha ng approval lang.
Mm.
Sa chat group, 'di ba? Okay ba 'to, guys? Ganyan.
Oo.
Okay, yung pink or yung green? Tapos lahat
Correct.
ng tao, green kasi ganito. Ano sa tingin nyo? Tapos buong araw na pinag-iisipan yung green. Kung iPhone man yan, yung green na iPhone, blah, blah, blah. Blah.
Mm.
Nga no. Yeah. After 3 days,
Yung pare,
guys, binili ko pink kasi gusto ko siya.
parang
Oh
yun
my
na
God.
feel ko.
Okay lang naman. Pero kung pattern na siya, meron sinabi TikTok na naman. Galing ng TikTok, no? Meron silang define na term, ask hole. Kasi ask ng ask. Pero,
nakakainis.
in the end, hindi niya kukunin yung advice. Okay lang naman na maraming times hindi niya fina-follow yung advice. Pero kung bagay, agree na. Tapos yung,
Yes.
yung pala, naghahanap lang ng approval.
Yes.
'Di ba? Parang,
Tsaka,
yung, sorry, meron ba ako naisip, yung tipong pa-soft lunch ng boylet
boyfriend.
sa chat group, 'di ba?
Oo.
Pa-soft lunch sa chat group, wala sa IG, wala rin sa close friends pad, doon pala sa chat group. Tapos tinitignan ko ano yung reaction nyo.
Yeah, soft
Tapos
launch.
parang, ay, hindi ba pogi? Ganyan. Tapos, ay, okay naman. Ganyan. Yung naghahanap lang
Okay.
talaga ng
Oo.
approval. 'Di
Yes.
ba? Pero pag hindi mo binigay yun sa kanya, si Mangot galore siya. 'Di
Yes.
ba? Hindi siya perky. Tapos,
Yeah.
puro
I
siya na
think,
lang.
or parang kunyari, pag may pumatol sa kanya ng pa-joke, he doesn't or she doesn't take it good. Parang gano'n, hindi niya kayang tanggapin ng mabuti. Because I think the
Oo.
second or parang one indication also that you have a main character syndrome in a bad way is you really not good in taking criticism. Like
Yes.
not really good. Na parang you do not know how to digest a good advice. Na parang, hey girl, hey boy, para sa'yo to, ikabubuti mo to. But then, you think that people are attacking you and you being on the center of the spotlight. You're threatened na maagaw sa yung kinang, parang ganun. You are not
Yes.
good in taking criticisms or even a joke.
Yes. Totoo, Jack.
Yung
Ano,
AIDS kasi parang hindi ka makasakay kasi 'di ba parang sabi nga, ano may nasa isip ko? Oh, a person who is so consumed with his or her performance as a main character syndrome is cannot accommodate spontaneity.
mm,
Ako, quotable ako ngayon.
Oo, wow. Ang kulit niyang sinabi mo cannot accommodate
Spontaneity.
spontaneity.
Yung
Basta
pagiging spontaneous.
So kasi nasisira yung plano niya. Kasi
Yes.
in his or her head, naka-grand plano na yung for today magpapaspa ako, ganyan, bla bla bla. Tapos biglang, ay, kailangan puntahan yung nanay nung kasi may emergency, ganyan, ganyan.
Mm,
Ay,
mm,
magpapaspa pa rin ako. Oh my gosh, that's crazy, 'di ba? Na
mm.
parang may hinihinagpis ka ng mga relatives or friends, pero wala, talagang gusto mong masunod yung plano mo. And
That's right.
ano siya anong tawag dito? Meron siyang kinalaman sa insecurity, saka security ng tao, no?
Mm.
Na kumbaga, yung main character, you're looking so much into yourself na actually it's actually a sign of insecurity.
That's right.
Kumbaga, you were just parang blurting out right now na parang
Mm.
yung root niya insecurity.
Mm.
Kasi ayaw mong mawala sa'yo yung control. So
Mm.
tong mga taong to, 'di ba, yung connecting it with what you said, yung being spontaneous, 'di ba? Gusto nila kontrolado nila lahat.
Mm.
And alam mo main character din yung person kung malakas siya mang marites.
Oo.
Kasi talagang, uy, alam mo ba ganito, ganyan ganyan. Naku, inuunahan mo na.
Mm.
Napaka high school noon. Yung parang parang galit sa akin si person A. Naku, yung friend namin nakakilala namin both, mga mutual friends namin. Sasabihin ko na, alam mo ba si person A, ganito,
Yeah.
ganyan, ganyan. Uunahan mo na, you are poisoning the well. So,
Oo.
sobrang luma na yan. Ang dami ng terms niya. Parang hundreds of years na yung term na yan. Tantanan yun. Talagang galit, galit.
Correct.
Pero kumbaga, that is poisoning the well. It's also a symptom of main character syndrome.
Yeah.
Narcissistic character syndrome.
Tsaka yung AIDS, yung fishing ng
Compliments.
compliments. Yan. Di ba?
What?
Hindi nga ako masyadong magaling mag-English eh. Hindi, kasi they want to tell you that they're expecting you to tell them that, hindi, magaling ka kaya mag-English. Hindi nga makinis yung face ko eh. Luma nga yung cellphone ko. Pero all of those are like opposite of everything that you're saying. Just because gusto mo nga, papansin ka lang din.
Mm-mm. KSP. So, magkakaano siya, magpipinsan talaga siya, guys.
Oo.
And kumbaga, pag meron kang, baka mamaya kasi, again we're defining a main character. Kasi yun yung usong term
Mm.
ngayon. Pero kumbaga, we're just consolidating it that it's actually the same kind of person probably. And for you to understand how to work with them.
Oo.
Oo.
Yun nga, nandiyan na tayo sa how to work with them. Nakakapagod, AIDS, sa totoo lang. Kasi parang, syempre, yes, nag-thrive yung mga main character syndrome dun sa mga environment na, alam mo yun, walang gusto mag-step up or walang gustong, parang lahat introverted or lahat ayaw, ayaw
Mm.
ayaw sa spotlight. Ganun, nag-thrive
Oo.
yan. Parang,
Mm.
pero maawa ka din in a way na parang if you think that you have a main character syndrome, would you want na parang they just always give the compliment to you because they are obligated to do so? Gets mo?
Oh.
Di ba? Parang ganun.
Points
So,
for ano siya, food for
yes.
thought
Yeah, food
kung
for
main
thought.
character ka.
Yes.
Saka
Also,
ano, Jack, yung para lang bago tayo tumawid dun sa how to work with them, just to diagnose kung hindi kami expert, again lagi namin sinasabi. Pero kumbaga, ano rin siya something na worth noting. If you are, kumbaga kanina ka pa, sa lahat ng sinasabi namin, sinasabi mo na, hindi naman ako masyadong ganon. Ibig sabihin, main character ka.
Oo.
You're justifying stuff. Parang, kaya ko lang naman sinabi doon kasi masama naman talaga yung ginawa ni person A eh.
Oo.
So, kailangan parang, yung sinabihan mo ba makaka-help doon situation?
Oo.
Hindi. So, ibig sabihin, main character ka.
That's right.
Yun.
That's right. That's right. Tsaka I think, Adrian, yung mga tao may main character syndrome, they live in a fantasy world. Na
Yes.
parang everything is
Narcissistic
just,
yan.
yes,
Oo.
fantasy
Yes.
world na parang everything they put themselves in a, I don't know, in a pedestal that they are the bida of everything that's happening. Parang, yun, nakakapagod ka work because, tawid na tayo ha, nakakapagod ka work kasi parang everything's about them. So you have to parang kamustahin siya lagi or okay. Di ba, imagine mo, yung may katrabaho ka na kailangan mo ng report because you have to submit it and collaborate with that person, the main character syndrome, because you have to pass that report on Friday. But then you have to, okay ka lang ba? Is it a bad hair day? Did you wake up in the wrong side of the bed? Parang kailangan mo siyang ingatan from time to time.
Na parang, you signed up for this, di ba? In kunyari, in the context of ka-work pala, parang you signed up for this. You're being paid for this. And you are being evaluated for this.
Yep.
And hindi ka naman dito natutulog sa office. Kung umu-OT ka, isulat mo na parang kailangan pa ng another person para may ka-share ka ng workload.
That's right. That's
Diba?
right.
Hindi yung kung kailang crunch time, hindi ka makakasubmit. So how do you work with that? I think, Jack, in general muna, no?
Oo.
Make things objective. Lahat ng sinabi ko actually, 'di ba? Medyo sarcastic ko sinabi, pero kumbaga you can parang 2 to 3 times o kamusta ka ganyan.
Correct.
Pagka hindi pa rin gumagalaw yung tao, lalo na kung ikaw yung boss niya, you can say something like, "Hey, trabaho kasi to. Sorry kasi sorry for what you feel." Huwag kayong mag-sorry na hinihingan nyo siya ng work. Parang, sorry for what you feel. Pero, it's actually part of your roles and responsibilities dito sa work. So, you actually need to understand, 'di ba, na this is your responsibility as well. Also, it's also, kumbaga, responsibility ng company na pasweldohin tayo on time, 'di ba, doon sa sinign-upan natin
That's right.
na contract, and we need to deliver these things. So,
Mm.
kumbaga, can you baga push this and pwede ba i-submit tomorrow kasi I think itong pinapagawa ko sa'yo can be done in 3 to 5 hours. Can you give me that? 'Di ba?
Mm.
Very objective ka on how you are, no? Parang kumbaga masyadong general award yung professional eh. Pero ito, it's a sample, 'di ba? You could be objective. Kasi kaya natin nauna yata yan, Jack, yung na-mention mo agad yung ka-work kasi pagka-barkada mo parang wala ka namang deliverables from a
Yes.
teammate like barkada or something. Ito work to, medyo parang
Correct.
some slice of tips kumbaga from us.
Yes.
And,
At saka parang, ito parang na-realize ko lang din ngayon, Adrian, na parang to someone kung may kaibigan ka or to someone that has a main character syndrome, you will never, you will always feel the urge to fit in.
yes. Parang kang
Lagi kang
Tetris.
mag-a-adjust, oo. Kasi, oo, para kang lagi mag-a-adjust kasi parang fitting in, kasi parang dapat in this certain day and age, parang the rise of Gen Z and all that, yung mga nangyayari ngayon. Friendships and all that, safe space and all that. For me, parang you have to belong to a friend or to a group. You have to belong rather than to fit in. Parang ganun for me. Kasi fitting in is betraying yourself sa pagiging totoong ikaw. Because there's a main character syndrome in that barkadahan. You have to fit in. Kasi di ba sa barkadahan, there are what is the role that I'm going to play here sa group na to? Di ba? Gets mo ako? May komedyante, may leader, may tiga-organize and all, may main character, may sarira, yung mga ganun. So parang, for me, pag nandiyan na si main character syndrome, you're betraying yourself to accommodate his or her sickness, quote unquote.
Yes. Actually, Jack, ito, very concrete example ng main character na ganyan. Hindi tao, no? Hindi, actually mga tao. Kumbaga, kunyari, may ganitong maririnig ka eh. Sorry girls ha, parang kanina yata mas na-mention ko rin girl imagine, parang kumbaga imaginary example. Pero ito, kunyari, may mga ganito. Volunteer na ako sa church for so long. Dami ko nang na-meet na guys. Parang hindi ko naman gusto. Ganyan. Kaya lang, kailan kaya ako bibigyan ni God ng tamang person? So marami namang babae sa kids church, no? Pero kumbaga, maraming ganyan sa ako naririnig, di ba? Pero kung kasama mo yung babaeng yon, ganito siya. Ay, I don't, saan mag-hangout? Ha? Dun sa coffee shop na yon, walang aircon. I don't go to coffee shops na walang aircon.
And very New York.
Oh my gosh, 'di ba? Tapos hindi ka nasasama, ganyan. Pag ganyan ka, main character ka. O kaya, kakain tayo ilan tayo? We're 100 people. Saan tayo kakain? Seafood restaurant. Don't you know, guys, that I'm allergic to seafood? Alam namin. Kaya nga doon tayo para maasar ka. 'Di ba? Parang ang sarap sagutin na gano'n. Yeah. So if you're ganyan, pero medyo bumalik tayo sa identifying. Pero ito, tatawid ulit tayo sa how to work with them. Ganito. Kumbaga, hindi alam namin na allergic ka, pero may choices din na iba. Kasi lalo na we set this date, 'di ba? Tapos and you mention the objective facts. Kunyari, si Jose kasi 'di ba nanggaling States. Gusto niya kasi yung dampa 'Di ba?
Yes.
Gusto niya sa dampa. So, minsan lang siya
hindi
nandito.
Hindi ako kumakain sa dampa.
Oo. So, actually, worst comes to worst. Parang, we should consider, hindi nyo tatanungin na ganito can you? Parang kanina dun sa trabaho, can you submit it tomorrow? Hindi. You should be able to do it kasi deadline na. So, don't ask can you. 'Di ba? So, ang doon, sa dampa tayo kakain, final na kasi. So, kung wala kang ma-order doon, 'di ba? Meron kasi namang liempo, which is not seafood, 'di ba? Yung sinigang gusto mo gawin nating isda or baboy, 'di ba? For you para rin ma-accommodate ka. And you can bring in, ako nakakausap doon sa waiter, no? Sasabihin ko na allergic ka. Kasi baka
Oo.
mamaya yung shellfish pala ay selfish, 'di ba? Yung shellfish pala same yung ginamit na pan tapos allergic ka. So
That's
we
right.
can make excuses. So some objective stuff. Kunyari yun, seafood restaurant episode, 'di ba? So you can do stuff like that. Ang hassle Jack yung mga ano rin yung mga why will we go there in our
Yes.
itinerary in
Miss.
Indonesia kasi pangit yung CR daw doon eh. Oh my gosh. Bahala ka. Doon ka sa likod ng puno, 'di ba? 'Yun parang be creative din. Parang actually nakakapagod siya eh, 'di ba? Pero ito ano kasi it's allowing yourself to be yourself, your barkada to be
Oo.
your barkada na gusto nyo magdampa, 'di ba? You're not denying the dampa of the balikbayan. But again, you are putting objective parameters para kumbaga umuo siya. Kung hindi,
Yes.
pwede naman siya hindi pumunta. Ganun.
Mm-mm.
Mm.
That's right. Alam mo,
Totoo yun.
Adrian,
Okay
sa,
lang yun yung pwede hindi pumunta. Mm-mm.
sa kabilang side ng coin, pa, meron din namang nakakatuwang main
Oh, yeah.
characters.
Totoo.
Kasi if you're going to think about it, parang sino pa ba magiging main character sa buhay mo? Eh, dapat ikaw na lang din, di ba?
Oo. Oo.
Gets na parang,
Ang
alam mo,
boring parang ako na naman.
parang let the bida of your life is you yourself without parang abalahin yung iba. Pero bida ka sa sarili mong buhay because God wants you to be on the front lines also that you have a special part to play. It's just that sometimes nag-overboard kapag you are asking everyone to acknowledge you as the main character. Because
Mm.
be respectful din na sila din naman main character sa kanilang life. So give it to them. And you will
Mm.
notice that if you're having that main character syndrome, if you cannot ask someone genuinely, kamusta ka na?
Mm.
Simple lang
Mm.
yan, AIDS. Parang kamusta ka na? And then if you can follow up with the question, because sometimes kapag kinamusta ka, ikaw na lang ng ikaw yung nagsasalita. So yun
Oo.
yung mga the making, ganyan. So just catch yourself. There's
Oo.
still hope, di ba? On the other hand naman, yung parang also positive is pagiging main character like in your own life is also not being so arrogant or confident. Parang for me, you on a lighter note naman or kasi pag extreme talaga, sobrang yun ang hindi natin gusto. Pero pag main character syndrome or main character effect, I think okay lang siya kung you're using it for self-affirming. You get it? Yung parang, parang I am the head and not the tail, yung mga ganon. So, I think
Mm.
it's okay. Parang God would want you to be like that and do and declare those things to your life.
Oo. Totoo. Ano rin eh. Kumbaga, we're coming off from a jumping board na kumbaga, meron tayong kanya-kanya.
Yes.
Meron tayong kanya-kanya, di ba? And I think this is a good practice doon sa barkada namin. Ever since, simula college hanggang ngayon, parang kumbaga, sa medyo nakakatawang absurd example. Meron sa amin kasing figure skater nung bata eh. So ngayon, punta kami Mega Mall. Talagang, guys, this is a Miguel Day, 'di ba? Punta tayo ng MOA, mag-skating tayo. Turuan mo kami, ganyan. So ganun kami. Yung kumbaga, we set days. Tapos ikaw yung magaling dito, turuan mo kami.
Mm-mm.
'Di ba? Meron kaming Chinese guy, savior guy. So ngayon, pag nagbibinondo kami, Aldo, Binondo food tour. So nakailan na kami? 3 na yata na Binondo food tour. Parang yung isa 10 years ago, 8 years ago. And then the last one was actually just last year, tong pandemic. So kumbaga, Jack, ano siya eh, people can be main characters in different times.
Yeah.
Tapos ang ganda pagka you have that culture.
Yes.
Since ikaw pala yung main character sa barkada nyo, ikaw
Ay,
yung maingay, ganunin mo, 'di ba? Parang,
ang
gawin
galing.
natin 'to.
Yung
Ikaw
parang
yung magtuturo.
yung,
Oo.
yung ano, main character na may ambag. Dahil ikaw yung
Yes.
expert dyan, lead us please. Galing yan.
Oo. Meron kaming Jack, dati nung college. Meron kami ginawa namin for 3 years. Every month, nag-i-invite kami ng speaker. Kumakain kami sa restaurant. Most of the time, kami-kami.
Oo.
Tapos kunyari yung architect, nag-walking tour sa Ayala. In-explain yung mga building. Ito yung design nito, ganitong era. Ganyan. Tapos may lectures. Iba-iba kaming lecture. Tapos
that's
yung isa,
good.
finance guy. Magle-lecture siya once a month. So, nagawa namin yung hanggang mga 25 years old kami. So, na-carry namin yung culture na
Equipping.
yon. We equip ourselves by empowering each and everyone.
Yeah, that's
So,
right. Ang
something
ganda.
ganun na informal, 'di ba? And again, it's also a checking tool. If you haven't praised someone genuinely or sent a sketch na kunyari, Jack, punta tayong Vietnam. Ituturo mo kami kasi ikaw tong may alam nito which we are
Oo.
doing, 'di ba?
Main
If you
character
haven't
ako.
done anything like that, medyo nandun ka sa dark side ng main character.
That's right.
Kasi hobby hoarder. Yung uso ngayon sa Gen Y sa atin hanggang Gen Z na photographer, artist, interior designer,
Surfer.
surfer, podcaster, YouTuber, tapos finance guy, tapos startup guy, baker, lahat na. Sige, kunin mo na. Pag may ganyan ka sa profile mo, yung may slash, main character ka.
Correct. Lahat na lang gusto mo Anyway, hay nako.
May hugot.
Ang saya-saya nitong podcast na to, itong episode na to sa mga main character. Wag po kayo mag-alala, may pag-asa pa po. Or I think if you want that kind of character, you want to play that character, then go ahead. Pero for us, sana naman lang may ambag ka, no? And be really mindful to the people around you. Because talagang mataas yung tendencies na ng narcissistic tendencies na you cannot go wrong, you project yourself as a perfect person, you cannot take criticism or just a joke, something like that. So I think it's dangerous. You'll just realize one day that people, instead of looking at you, they're avoiding you na. Nakakatakot at nakakaawa.
Totoo, ayaw namin maging ganun.
That's it for me.
At that level.
Napaka-negative matapos itong podcast na to.
Ayun, siguro to jump off from that, kumbaga, it's actually just this podcast episode is a discourse on self-awareness. Kasi habang nagbabanggit ako kanina, iniisip ko yung mga main character, lalo na yung moments ko na, oh my gosh, ang ko masyado, ang pabida ko. Oo. So, ayun, yung mga times na parang bigla akong magpo-post ng food dun sa barkada group na wala namang context. Di ba? para is that two main character-ish? Pero minsan busy sila, minsan nagre-reply naman. Pero,
sana naman. Yeah.
not parang watch yourself. Parang that's the message. Because watching yourself is a must. It's a responsibility because you might be hurting your friends, hurting your other people, or hurting a community. Kasi dahil may character ka, baka nakaka-build ka ng bad culture. So, leader ka Ang tanong, are you a good leader or a bad leader?
Yes. So yeah, lastly then for me, I think if you still catch yourself na nakaka-cringe na ikaw na naman ang bida or parang hindi mo sila binigyan ng time magsalita and all, I think you're still in good hands. Gagaling ka pa.
Oo.
Pag
hindi cringe, actually yun yung problema. Pag never ka cringe thinking about these things.
Yes, that's right. So I think that's it for me, Adrian. I'm really excited for what's up ahead for us for the following
Yeah.
days. Thank you
Yes.
so much, Brodies, for listening to us. This is season 7.
Dapat en grande. Season 7, Episode 1.
That's right. Send your Gcash. We will send you 777. Wow.
Salamat po kung gusto nyong mahanap kami sa social media, thebrodies.ph, IG and Facebook, and sa email po, thebrodies.ph@gmail.com. And again, that is kumbaga, we will not reveal your identity lalo na kung sinabi
That's
nyo.
right. Shout out to
Hindi
you
naman
guys.
Hindi naman natin kailangan i-topic yung itatanong nila eh. 'Di ba? Pwede naman magtanong lang, 'di ba?
Yes.
Ayun.
Thank you guys, and I hope to catch you next week in Ho Min Chi. Ho Chi Minh. Ho Chi Minh.
Christmas eh.
Ho Chi Minh City, and aka sabihin mo na lang kasi Saigon. They also understand that. It's the old name is Saigon, but they also still refer it to Saigon. Like, so Saigon is easy.
Saigon.
Yeah, dun pa rin yun. Anyway, see you guys. Kung gusto you mag-live, kami dyan sa place nyo, then just holler at our feed. Wow.
May feed.
Feeding program.
Thank you guys.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.